videotape them getting their first hard-boiled eggs with the shells on. Hey, Daph?
I'll give the first one to Daph. Tell me when you're ready.
It's recording.
Oh, okay. Here, Daph. Sit. Indy.
Turn the light in here.
Indy.
What you got, Daph? Wait a second. Does it keep going under the table, honey? What you got?
Come here, Indy. Oh, someone's sitting pretty nice.
Oh, she managed to start getting the shell. She finally managed to break into it and get the shell. Now it's your turn, Indy.
Sit. Come here. Sit. Good boy. Well, get it.
Get it?
But have an egg all over the house. Not on the couch. Indy. Come on, Indy. Indy. Oh, he pounced right on it.
He did too.
Good boy. Oh, wow.
Well, he made a bit of a mess with that egg. But at least now he's eating it. Dad made a little bit of a mess with hers, but not quite as much.